No, step back over. You're right here. We're going to do the cinnamon challenge.
Again with
Here's cinnamon right here.
somebody else.
Cinnamon's right there. Our spoons are right here.
I hope you choke, bitch. No, I'm kidding. No, it'll be okay.
Let's take it on our bed this Tuesday.
Fuck no, you already got sugar all over my bed. Oh, I couldn't move that much. Just give something.
Okay.
You feel like
Cinnamon. On a spoon.
if you don't stop messaging me, okay.
Yeah.
So here.
Wait. Here.
Our
Right here.
yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm just gonna be able to swallow this. Go. Done with that.
Okay. Ready? Wait, I gotta fix it. Okay. 1, 2, 47.
What is this?
Okay.
Shush.
Hurry up and drink it.
Now she said Leo. I was like, the fuck? Ready?
Ready? Go. You win. Got it in my teeth. No.
That actually didn't hurt as bad. Stop. Well, I won that, and it was very fast.
You got anything in your teeth?
Okay, man. All right.
Yeah.
Bye.